Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Dodge Dart battery. Park on level ground, turn off ignition, engage the parking brake, and wear gloves. Use a 10mm wrench to loosen terminals and always remove the negative cable first. Inspect battery tray and cables for corrosion and clean with baking soda solution. Replace with matching group size and secure hold down. Reconnect positive then negative and test electrical systems. In this video, I will show how to change Dodge Dart battery. First, open the hood and locate the battery, then remove any plastic covers or air ducts blocking access. Loosen the hold-down clamp and remove it, taking care to support the battery as you lift it out. Set the old battery on a stable surface and avoid tipping it. Inspect terminals and cables for corrosion and prepare to clean or replace as needed. In this video, I will show how to change Dodge Dart battery. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is great for listening to how-to steps while you work and for setting timers hands-free. It fits on a garage shelf and keeps instructions audible over tools, making the job easier and more fun. If you find this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to change Dodge Dart battery. Position the new battery so terminal orientation matches the old battery and the tray drain is clear. Tighten the hold-down clamp to secure the battery, but avoid over-tightening plastic trays. Attach the positive terminal first, then the negative, and apply a thin coat of dielectric grease to prevent corrosion. Start the engine, check electronics, and reset clocks or radio presets if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.